Hi you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while but it took me a little longer than usual to film this video because I had a vision to film this video just exactly like I had imagined this, sitting on a beach and doing my vision board, and this is my second time and a lot of things happened and a lot of things did not happen second attempt making it. So I'm really excited about it. I have everything with me, the canvas inks, and I think without taking much more time, let's get into it. And I'm super excited. I hope that this will turn cute. Yeah, let's get started. So there are quite a few things, like new things that happened, and I still want to continue doing those things. Thing on the list got to be this one. As you can see, there is a girl running, of course. So I've never been like an early riser, but yeah, I got into running. Also, I'm not chasing pace. I'm I'm just trying to show up. This has to be the first picture, though I haven't been consistent all this January, but better late than never. We are going to be on track soon. So the second picture is about a concert. So last year also I ended up going to one of the concert and I enjoyed that, and I've never been to lot many concerts. So that's the thing on the list. So this is me being in a concert. So I love dressing up, as you all know, and I'm really planning to do a lot of fashion content this year. Giving me type vibe. Yeah.
Very old school but classic.
Approve. Okay, so this picture is a girl on, as you can see. So this picture is a girl being happy on a beach, and I think I'm now sitting on a beach. So it's going to happen a lot this year. Not just beach, but yeah, randomly I'm just going to be in the moment and not just kind of worry about things. So that's this. The next picture is this, a girl catching flights. So obviously this signifies a lot of travel. So I'm someone who has never like traveled a lot. So last year only, I think last year started a lot of new things. So last year I took my first flight, and of course there are so many more flights coming in. The next picture is this. It's a photo of, specifically I'm putting out the word, it's an Airbnb. You guys know my obsession over finding good stays and how loyal I am to Airbnbs in general. So I really wish to work with them. I'm just rooting towards Airbnb. So that is this picture about, which was on my list even when I was thinking of making a vision board. This was the first thing that I really wanted to like get. And also being in Goa and a Goa girl, I think there are so many beautiful stays in Goa itself. The next one is this. Also in the last vision board, I had these 4 girls sitting somewhere just enjoying and looking at the view, taking a trip. So I'm really looking forward for a girls trip. I don't know where it's going to be, mountains, beach, but yeah, it basically means that I want to spend time like with them. So this is something new. When I was like a child, I used to play a lot of badminton, but then it never really happened. I never really continued doing so, but this year I want to start like playing badminton. So that's the thing on the board. Next picture is this. Of course, you know what it is about. It's about filming lot more. I think I'm going to be consistent after this, because January was quite hectic though, also for me, because of the work thing and the annual day thing, which is going to end tomorrow. So that's a relief. But yeah, this basically signifies the same thing, that I want to film content wherein a girl is exploring Goa. So living in Goa, I think we are so blessed, but I never like been to all the parts of Goa, and what we are going to be doing, that we are going to explore Goa, south, north, everything. Goa is beautiful, guys, and when you travel to other states, other places, you tend to like, I'm talking about me, I think I tend to realize that even more, that how blessed we are being born in Goa as Goans, and it's beautiful, which is also quite surprising because this basically signifies that I want to take a lot of solo dates because I think I've never spent like time just with me. So this at least once a week I want to like take like time for just myself, no one around, and just sitting maybe in a cafe just doing things. So this is very daring of me, but I'm going to do it. Next thing is also something new that's coming up in my mind again and again, and that is, you can see a mic here, and this signifies that we want to start a podcast. So yeah, that might happen this year. We in general have a lot of topics to talk about, so we just thought of making it into a podcast. So yeah, that's thing. I think that will happen. So okay, the next picture is about two people having ice cream, but it's not just about having ice cream. It basically means that rather than waiting for like big things to happen, I just want to soak in the little things, the daily things that we do together. Basically, this signifies I don't want to wait for big things to happen. They are going to happen when they are meant to happen. The last, of course not the least. Okay, so talking about this, as you can see, there are 12 Jyotirlings what we want to visit. Don't know how much we'll be able to cover, but I think I'm really wishing to visit at least one out of these. Also, there are so many other places which like I did not put it on the vision board, but of course in the travel thing only they are going to be adding. But specifically I'm putting this picture because we want to cover at least one out of the 12 Jyotirlings. So that's the thing. I'm now going to be sticking all of these together, and let's do it. That the vision board is looking something like this. I think it turned out really cute and I hope that I will be able to tick this off. Some things I am currently doing, but I would like to do it consistently. That's the thing. So, and if you watch this video till here, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you all haven't already, and I'll see you soon in the next one very soon. Until then, you can follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.